In SolidWorks, you can import an IGES file. Let's take a look at an example of that. Here I am in SolidWorks. I will click on the Open icon. And now from my folder, I can choose the IGES file that I want to bring in, and then click the Open button. Now it is reading the model. And after a few minutes, it asks if I want to run import diagnostics on the part. I will click Yes. And so it finds some different problems in here. I will click on the button to attempt to heal all. And now no faulty faces or gaps remain in the geometry. I will click on the check mark. And now I'm asked if I want to proceed with feature recognition. For models like this, I might say no. There's a lot of geometry in here. But just to see what will happen, let's click the Yes button. And now it brings open the FeatureWorks property manager. And I'm going to leave recognition mode set to automatic. And then we will bring in standard features instead of sheet metal features. This is clearly not a sheet metal part. Then for automatic features, I've got everything turned on except for volumes. This is good. I will hit the check mark and let this run for a few minutes to see what we get. Okay, so the process ran for almost about 4 minutes, and I can see the features that came in, including a couple of planes. But I can also see that a couple features also failed. There's a cut that failed and also a boss that failed. So again, with FeatureWorks, the more complicated the geometry that you have, the less likely it is to result in a clean model. And for that reason, I might want to go back to the original import, which retained its original colors, and use that instead. And so there you have it. That's how you can import an IGES file into SolidWorks.